Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Bachelor finalist Juliana Pasquarosa shared a cryptic post on social media that makes her sound heartbroken. Fans are divided over what the post actually means. There is a lot of speculation about who Grant Ellis will choose and if they are still together. Is Juliana heartbroken? Keep reading to find out what everyone is saying. Bachelor Juliana Pasquarosa seems heartbroken in latest post. On Monday night, Bachelor Grant Ellis chose his final two women. Following fantasy suite dates, Grant chose to send home Zoe McGrady. Many fans think this was inevitable since she had never even had a one-on-one date prior to hometowns. Now the final two women in Ellis' season are Licia and Juliana. During their date on Monday night, Juliana opened up about a lot to Grant and said she was broken. They have bonded over their hardships that both have endured in the past. Following the episode, Juliana shared a cryptic post on Instagram that has everyone speculating as to what it could mean. She posted a quote, and many fans have argued she posts a lot of inspirational sayings. This particular post says, "And maybe I will never be fully healed, but I will be fully whole. With the scars, with the imperfections, with the growth and the strength, with the lessons I've learned, I won't be the same person that I was, but I'll be intricately me, intricately whole." Fans are divided on what they think she means with the post. Some are saying it makes it sound as though she is heartbroken. Others say that it is in regard to the talk she had with Grant during her date. Here are what some fans are saying. "She always posts cheesy inspirational posts like this, so I'm not sure if this means much, but I'm sure she isn't happy about what she saw last night. Even if she was warned, I sure wouldn't be loud. I took this as a reference to her ex and what she opened up about on the show tonight. She literally talked about feeling broken in this week's episode. You guys are reading way too much into every little detail." Some fans are speculating that Grant chose her and they broke up post-show. It's yet to be seen who Bachelor Grant Ellis will choose at the final rose ceremony. In previews, fans can see that he is confused about what to do. He even talks to his dad about it, all after introducing both girls to his family. Many are speculating that Grant is more into Licia than Juliana, but will not choose her because of her religion. Others feel he's a good match for Juliana. As for Grant, he shared that both women are amazing. He also told them both he was falling in love with them on overnight dates. No doubt one of them will leave next Monday night heartbroken and feeling blindsided. What do you think will happen next week? Who will The Bachelor choose? Stay tuned for more updates.